So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zosha Ola, if you didn't fucking know. So today I have the smallest beauty supply haul, because I didn't that wasn't my run today, but I just picked up from there since I was in the area doing something else. I cannot resist myself. Moving right along, I digress. So I only got a few items. So firstly, we're gonna start with this jewelry item. I love getting the hoops from the beauty supply store. I can only wear them for a little while, otherwise they irritate my ears, but these are them. These are what they look like. Super pretty, right? I love the ropey twist on them. 18 karat gold GF. I think is overlay because these were actually locked up in the case and everything. I think they're really nice ones from the BSP, because you can wear these elegantly or you can wear them hoochie-fied, you know what I mean, a little bit. But these are super cute. I love the roping and everything on it, and the gold is a really rich looking gold. I hope you guys can see. So yeah, I really like those. And then, girl, I had to replace my favorite ever lip pencil. These are by LA Girl. So yeah, girl, I had to replace my favorite ever LA Girl lip. Is it LA Girl? Yeah, LA Girl pencil. These are their perfect precision lip liner. Girl, if you see these at the beauty supply store, please do try them, because they give you such the creamiest formula. And I love this one in particular because this was actually the first lip liner that I've ever worn and liked, because it's so creamy. It's so close to my natural line. Right now I'm not wearing anything on my lips, you guys. I don't have anything because I wiped my lipstick off. I was about to go eat, but I said let me show you guys what I got super quick. So that's the color, okay? That one is in color chocolate. Yeah, I think this one would go well with any skin tone. If you guys like my little cute messy bun. So that's the chocolate one. And then I should have gotten the dark brown also, but I was like, which one? I should have just fucking gotten all three. But let's compare this is a true brown, okay? This is brown. Let's compare the brown to the chocolate, okay? Ooh, that's nice, bitch. That's so nice. I can't wait to wear that. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear that. So yeah, girl. Also, I made my own nose ring. If you guys like it, I think it's super cute. Okay. But yeah, the brown is super pretty. The brown, I wish I had gotten the dark brown now. But yeah, the LA Girl Profusion lip liners. Or actually it says eyeliner. I never noticed it said eyeliner. But I always use it for my lips. I always use it for my lips for I don't know, 2 years now. I don't know. But I love it for my lips, you guys. LA Girl, you should put eyeliner / lip liner on your product, because I use it for my lips, okay? So then the next thing that I got was Jubiliana. I don't know if that's a brand. So this says with moisturizer and vitamin E. It's a shimmer gloss. It says it's new. So I thought it was really pretty. I haven't worn a gloss. Oh, I thought it was the squeeze one, but I get so excited over makeup. Can you guys tell? So I thought it was actually the, the little press one where you just touch it on your lip, which I don't really like so much for whatever reason, because I'll tell you why, okay? Not that it's any of my business, but I see some other girls and they use it and they touch it on their lip, right? And I assume, right, that since it has the little suction thing, some of whatever they're having on their lip, it gets into the tube, and then the lip gloss inside the tube is no longer white or clear. It's some dirty ass, nasty brown, nasty, murky, nasty looking color, and that has always grossed me out. Now I do own a couple of the, squeeze ones, and mine always stay white, so I don't know what you guys are doing. You have to be sanitary when it comes to makeup. I'm telling you guys the truth. but I digress. We're gonna talk about that in another video, okay? But anyways, yeah, this is so nice. Ooh, and I'm gonna show you guys the color, of course. So we're looking at it together for the first time. Yes, I was hoping that's exactly what it was giving. That is like the shimmer. Can you guys see? Yeah, it's giving you like that really pretty bronze. We're gonna do makeup looks with this, of course, so stay tuned, you know, for my videos. But this is giving you that beautiful bronze shimmer that if you wear the liner and the lip gloss alone, like, you don't have to wear any color underneath it. But yeah, that's exactly what I wanted it to be. They didn't have any testers or anything. Now this one is kind of the star of the show. I think it is a fairly new girl. This is by LA Girl again, which I didn't even actually notice. I was just looking at ones that I like. This is called a flat velvet lipstick. I took the little wrapper off already just to save us some time, but this is in the color spicy. Color spicy. You guys see these, definitely pick them up. They didn't have tester for this one or whatever, I don't remember, but I didn't test it, so we're testing it now together. It looks so beautiful. You see how it's just moist like that when you look at it at first? That is a telltale sign of a really good matte lipstick when you first open it. Let me just tell you guys, because that just shows you that the product is holding the moisture that like it's supposed to. And here we go. So yeah, girl, that just actually, ooh, I can't wait to wear that. That's beautiful. I hope you guys can see the color pay off really nicely. It's like a mahogany type brown, like a reddish brown. But that is pretty much the end of my tiny beauty supply haul. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Stay beautiful until we see each other again. Bye.